Hello, I'm Aki Mäkivirta from Genelec, and we are here at ISE 2020 and we are showing our smart IP loudspeaker system here. We have two new models available here, 4420 and 4430. These are very interesting products for AV install because they are super easy to install. They have only one cable going in them. That cable is a standard Ethernet cable, and it carries high resolution, low latency audio. It carries monitoring and control signals, and it also carries power into the loudspeakers. These loudspeakers are working on PoE and PoE plus standard power supply system available anywhere. These are very flexible to install because anyone can install these loudspeakers without having a special license. You don't have to be an electrician to install a standard CAT cable in most countries. These loudspeakers are controlled by the standard house automation system because they have inbuilt application programming interface. And for the installer, we come out with a special tool, and this is a software tool you see on the display here. And this tool enables you to discover the loudspeakers in the building, to arrange them in zones, to acoustically align the zones to compensate for acoustical influences, to get really very clean and neutral audio reproduction with high precision in any space. So thanks very much for checking these at ISE. If you didn't pass by our stand here, you can find these on our website at any time.